What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. This is contemporary jazz vibes, an electric palette for infusing jazz, hip hop, neo soul, and pop flavor. This is Rare Vibrations. Now, this is Native Instruments' latest expansion, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into some of these audio demos and just kind of listen to see what does it have to offer. So let's get right into it. So you got 45 machine kits, 50 battery kits, 12 Monarch presets, 285 loops, and 188 one shots. Let's check out this next demo. Okay. Definitely hearing some West Coast influence in here. Yeah, I think this one's going to be popular because it has those nice, those drum loops I can hear in there. And also I'm hearing like those fat basses and just really shaking things up there. Oh, those chops are dope. So it definitely has that jazz, hip hop, neo soul, and pop feel to it. Guys, this is Rare Vibrations, expansion from Native Instruments. Go check it out. Link in the description below. We out.